Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how Bigtable can help you analyze large workloads. Cloud Bigtable is a fully managed, scalable, NoSQL database for large analytical and operational workloads. It is designed as a sparsely populated table that can scale to billions of rows and thousands of columns, enabling you to store terabytes or even petabytes of data. Bigtable is a key value store that supports high read and write throughput at low latency, supporting millions of requests per second. Need to increase queries per second? Just add more Bigtable nodes. It is an ideal data source for MapReduce style operations and integrates easily with existing big data tools like Hadoop, Dataflow, and Dataproc. To help you get started quickly, it also supports open source HBase API standard. Ready to set up Bigtable? Get started by designing the schema, planning out queries, and designing a row key. Once finalized, create a Bigtable instance using this gcloud command, Cloud Console, or the API. In Bigtable, you write data once, and it automatically replicates where needed with eventual consistency, giving you control for high availability and isolation of read and write workloads. Bigtable powers Google products used by billions, such as Search and Maps, and you can use it to store and query your data too, including time series, marketing, and financial data. So, next time you're looking to analyze large workloads, take a minute to look at Bigtable. To learn more, check out cloud.google.com/Bigtable.